In today's video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Loop to organize projects, collaborate with your team, and stay on track. First, open your browser, search for Microsoft Loop, and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you're using the correct account for privacy and access. Start by creating a Loop workspace which serves as the central hub for your project. Invite your team members so everyone can contribute, see updates, and communicate directly within the workspace. Next, use Loop components to manage tasks effectively. Task lists help assign work and track deadlines. Tables organize data. Notes allow collaborative brainstorming, and voting tables gather team input. Progress trackers let you monitor overall advancement at a glance. Remember, full loop functionality is available for Microsoft 365 Business Plan users, while free plan users can still share component links. By leveraging workspaces and components, you can streamline communication, stay organized, and ensure your project runs smoothly.